Welcome to Tejomai Spiritual Explorer Daily Pick a Card Reading. There are three piles in front of you. Pick one that attracts you the most. Take some time and pick the one that attracts you the most. Okay? Chalo. Let's see what the message and guidance is in store for you today. Pile 1. Six of Swords. A leg up. You might feel that you're all alone in this journey, but you're not. You might be facing some issues or might be struggling with something, but trust the universe, you're not alone. You're being divinely guided and protected. If you do not believe me, then just try and remember any situation where you were all alone. Still, you felt like you were protected. Someone was there protecting you. Maybe a situation where colleagues have been fired and you thought you two are in the list, but you were not. Situation might be tough, but you will find a savior coming in and taking you to the smooth sailing boat which will take you to your destiny safely and securely. You will receive help whenever and wherever you need it. Be your own true self and let your intentions be clear, and you will always receive help in one or the other form. Okay? Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Pile 2. Ace of Pentacles. Message in a bottle. Okay. It seems that today you are going to receive some good news that you are waiting for some time now. An email, a message, a SMS, or a phone call might bring a good news. It can be an offer letter or a business offer or a new project. It could be anything, but it seems it might be more related to money matters. A new source of income is coming your way. Okay, so you can expect a phone call, message, or a letter from even from your ex, or from someone with whom you have lost touch since long time. This person might be stalking you on social media and keeping all your information updated. He or she is very much updated about all your informations. Where you're traveling, where you're going, what you're interested in, something like that. This person might come with an offer of a job or business, but soon this could turn into a very special bonding. Okay, so that's it for the day. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Pile 3. Seven of Pentacles. Deep knowing. Okay. You might not be feeling good about the work you have started or about the investment. Might be basically related to money matters. Right now, you might not be able to see the returns on the investment that you have made, but trust your intuitions and listen to them carefully. Okay, it seems you're blessed with the knowledge that very few people have. You can read between the lines that is never told or been deliberately ignored. You know what exactly the story is, and you know where and how and when to invest. Investment could be money, or even it could be an emotional investment in any relationship. You're God gifted with an extra senses that you could sense any risk beforehand. So be alert and trust yourself. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.